Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Laptop Go. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Surface Laptop Go has been feeling dead slow, you're not alone. This symptom often arises from a failing hard drive or insufficient storage space. If left unresolved, it can lead to more severe performance issues, making your device practically unusable. To get started on the repair, you will need a set of Torx screwdrivers, a plastic opening tool, and some anti-static wrist straps to ensure you don't damage any internal components. First, ensure the device is powered off and disconnected from any power source. Begin by flipping the laptop over and locating the screws securing the back panel. Using your Torx screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, keeping them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, use your plastic opening tool to gently pry the back panel off, being cautious not to apply too much force as you could damage the clips holding it in place. Now, once the back panel is removed, you should see the hard drive. This is usually located near the center of the device. Identify the hard drive by checking for the markings on it. To extract it, you will need to disconnect the cable attached to it. This is usually a simple pull-out connector. Gently pull the connector away from the hard drive without yanking on the wires. With the cable disconnected, remove any screws securing the hard drive in place and lift it out carefully. When replacing it, ensure you have the correct type of drive compatible with your model. Insert the new hard drive into the slot, securing it with screws just as you found it. Reconnect the cable, ensuring it is firmly in place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is replaced, it's time to close the back panel. Align it carefully and press down gently until you hear the clips snap back into place. Reinsert the screws and tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten as this can strip the screws. Finally, power on the device and check if the performance has improved. To prevent this issue from recurring, consider regularly clearing out unnecessary files and programs to free up space. Additionally, routine maintenance and checks can prolong the life of your hard drive. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.